we transition from convective weather back to winter weather as we head toward the number 3. That was the snowstorm we had in late October, but more notably, the really cold weather that came in after that. So a few things that set this up. Here's our surface map again. You can see cold front laying across the area, a couple of lows riding along it. That's the surface feature. Now we have to the jet stream level again. A really strong jet here, about 110, 115 knots. And you can see, here's the core here, most of the area. Remember we talked about the jet dynamics before, number 5. Over in the right rear quadrant again, a lot of upward level motion there. Therefore more lift and more snow. Now as we take a look at the snowfall amounts, now these aren't the biggest in the world. They had a pretty good dump out here out in the Tetons. It's 15 inches was in the mountains to the west of Jackson in the Tetons. Many areas across the lower elevations you're thinking, this isn't a lot of snow, 6 inches, 6 inches, 3 inches, just 1 in Casper, about 6 in Warland, but the snow wasn't the real big story of this. There were some travel problems there, some roads that shut down mainly from flash freezes, but the real notable thing meteorologically was the cold temperatures. Now take a look at this. I know you can't really see this that well. Wyoming's right here. The one thing we look for forecasting temperatures is what we call source regions. Basically, where's the air coming from in relation to us? Now, take a look at these lines. This usually follows where the air's coming from. Now, right here, trace them. Up, you go west, then up, north, then all the way around, originating up here in Alaska. Now that's a very, very cold air that comes from there, obviously. And it basically just flowed all the way down the east side of the Rockies and right into Wyoming. And the result, these are temperatures that around the morning of the 26th. Now you can see some very cold temperatures there, minus 14. Grand Village dropped down to minus 20, minus 10 in Riverton, minus 16. This is in Ten Sleep, minus 14, minus 12, that's in Cody. This in Thermopolis. Now I'll call these temperatures in relation to normal. This is the most impressive thing here. These are all-time monthly lows. We actually broke these 2 years in a row in some places. Grayville broke it, Riverton tied it, Rock Springs broke it, but this is the most impressive one here, Warland. Old monthly record minus 4, 14 degrees. You don't see that very often. The records here go back quite a ways, at least back to the 1950s, so very, very notable there. Now we go on to number 2 tomorrow. We'll head back to convective season for this one.